This is the brand new ULTIMEA or A60 7.1 Dolby Atmos soundbar. Yep, this one has 7.1 channel. It is around $150 if you use my discount coupon. We got 3 speakers there, one there, and on the rear we have 2 more speakers. And the advantage is that these ones, the rear ones, will connect to the soundbar wirelessly. They have their own power and they connect between each other using the cable. So you don't need to run any wires from the back speakers to the soundbar itself. I put the subwoofer there for the sake of the video. Normally you need to put it on the floor. As you can see, it's not a very big sub, but we're going to put it to the test. See how powerful it is. He has a 4-inch driver there and the normal hole there. The soundbar itself goes under the TV pretty well. Metal on the front, same with the satellites, they all follow the same design. And although it's a budget unit, you can use eARC, HDMI, optical cable, Bluetooth 5.3, Dolby Atmos logo there, yeah, touch buttons. So without any further ado, let's have a look what's in the box and then we put it to the test. If you look at the remote, you got our preset EQs there, buttons to control the BassMX, mid-range and treble. At the top we have our inputs and we got this new button. This will enhance the surround sound according to the manufacturer. And finally at the very bottom we can see our surround plus and minus button there. Right off the bat I can tell the lows are quite strong. Sounds like a very well balanced sound. Although they're not super powerful, you can definitely feel the side and rear speakers. Let me put the microphone next to the speakers. The accept mix function. To be honest with you guys, I don't notice a lot. Now it's on. Yeah, I cannot tell a lot of difference, could be just this scene, but yeah. I can say that you can definitely feel the rear speakers and the front side speakers as well. Of course the central unit is stronger than those 4 satellites.
ETA, less than a minute.
Let's now try some music. Even with music you can hear the rear surround speakers, so let's do a test all the way till they are off -6. And now let's bring it up till we get that nice sweet spot. Guys, let's push it all the way to the max, see if we get any distortion. Whoa, this is crazy guys, honestly. We went all the way to the max and there was 0 distortion for a product of this price tag. Man, I'm truly impressed. And please note guys, this is not a paid review. ULTIMEA sent me the soundbar so I can test on the channel. They haven't paid me anything. I get to keep the soundbar, but all the opinions are my own. But for the money guys, $150 if you use my discount coupon currently, you get a 7.1 system. And on top of that you can control everything within the app. So we got our volume slider there. And our preset EQs like movie, music, voice, sport, game and night. And on the customized tab you can personalize 10-band EQ or change it to style, where you got like bass, rock, classical and pop, so you can move this target around, so more on the bass side, and you can definitely feel it. Yeah, you get the idea. I normally like to use this default. Yeah, you can tell the difference there. Music. Yeah guys, very, very handy app. Let's now test how loud the rear speaker is. So currently the surround is -6, so these are completely off. And now I'm gonna bring it up. From previous models, I think you could definitely tell the rear speakers are there. I know from some previous models the rear speakers were a bit quiet, but it's not the case with this one. Yeah, in scenes like this you can definitely feel the surround.
I'm a cybernetic organism, living tissue of a metal endoskeleton.
Yeah guys, I can hear the background of the film in the rear speakers. These are definitely noticeable. And on another note, as mentioned before, I can say the bass is quite strong. Hopefully you guys can feel it through the camera's microphone. Yeah guys, in terms of mids and voice coming from the center, I think this particular model, especially for the price, is quite balanced. There's not a lot of mids like previous models, at least for my taste. Definitely you can hear the voice coming from the center, but it's not that echoey mid-range, if you know what I mean. I think it's pretty balanced. The highs of the soundbar are very, very crystal. And guys, that small sub over there, I'm not sure because it's wired or not, it's so powerful. It does shake the room. Trust me on that. I couldn't believe it the first time I heard it. Yeah, it does shake the room. Your neighbors won't be happy. And in my honest opinion, those rear speakers, they are quite loud comparing to some other models we tested here on the channel, even from ULTIMEA. I do think these are quite balanced, and if you sit there in the middle of the surround system, you can definitely feel the surround around you. For the money guys, I think this is a very good choice. Please let me know down below in the comments if you want me to try anything else with this model, but yeah guys, I'm impressed, especially if we consider the price of this set. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click the like button, and please guys consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much for your support. Like always, thank you very much for watching, and hope I can see you all in the next one.
I never dreamed that I'd need someone